ठीक है, फ्रेम ठीक है।
हाँ, मेरे को तो दिख ही नहीं रहा यार कुछ।
हाय गाइस, welcome to my channel guys. Today I have with me my sister
Hi guys, I'm Pooja.
and we are going to do a challenge video for you all. Do you know what challenge it is?
Yeah, I think it's just a noodle challenge.
It's not just any other noodle challenge. It's the spicy noodle challenge.
Spicy.
Yeah. So this is the Samyang Buldak hot chicken flavor ramen cup with added sugar, and it's not just spicy, it's 2 times spicy. So
I really like these chilies. You
Yeah.
know, they have the teeth like me.
look at that chili.
So Shivani, are there any rules or only we just have to eat the noodles?
Yeah, there are rules actually.
Okay.
So we have to finish this whole cup all by ourselves, and whoever finishes first wins, and whoever gives up in between loses. And also to top it off, we have all this stuff to tempt us. We have vanilla ice cream, we have dairy milk, we have brownie, and all of the stuff to tempt us so that we give up. One of us gives up. Yeah, those are the only rules. We do not have any time limit. Yeah.
You know what is the tempting part for me? This. It tempts me a lot. Chocolate brownie.
मेरा तो सभी है यार. I like everything, so everything is tempting for
No,
me.
I can give up ice cream. I'm not so much fond of ice cream. I like brownie.
हाँ तो ठीक है, फिर आपके आगे मैं सबसे यही रखूंगी. Okay, चलो. Okay, then we'll just go and cook this and come back and just start with the challenge. So we have the noodles with us here, and you can see they are so red and scary. बहुत ही खतरनाक से लग रहा है मुझे तो ये. What do you think?
Actually, it smells also.
This-
I can smell the spices.
And it's not like Indian spices, it's more of Korean, yeah. As if I know what Korean spices smell like, but yeah. So yeah, we also have chopsticks. So when you order this, and by the way, I'll link it down below. I ordered this from Amazon, and when you order this, you get the chopsticks as well. Although I don't know how to eat with. टूट गई.
I have the one.
So yeah, although I don't know how to eat with chopsticks.
But I think if it is a challenge, then eating with chopsticks is not the right decision.
मैं तो यूज कर ही नहीं सकती ना. I have all these pieces.
That's why. तो वो challenge equal भी नहीं हुआ ना. तो हमें fork ही
So
use
I
करना
would
चाहिए.
suggest that you have your forks handy with you,
Yes.
because the chopsticks that they give are not good quality.
I think chopstick से वैसे जल्दी खा सकते हैं. I can try.
आप खाओ chopstick से. Okay, so shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know the rules, right?
Yes, we have to finish it.
No time
And-
limit.
And we have stuff here. So
जो
we-
पहले give up करेगा, that person loses. ठीक है? Okay, so yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
आई थिंक चॉपस्टिक से वैसे जल्दी खा सकते हैं.
I told you it's a challenge.
I think the spice is tolerable for me personally.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
जल्दी जज कर लिया मैंने.
And it's very spicy. You can give up any time to have your favorite thing in front of you.
Actually, it's not that spicy for me, but यहाँ पे पूरा जल रहा है. My lips are burning.
It's spicy.
Your spice tolerance is, I think, low, right? You do not
Yes.
eat a lot of spicy food.
Yes.
I used to eat a lot of spicy food, but
I'm so nervous for this last. It's very spicy.
done. Done. It's not yet done. It's in your mouth. Done. I won. मैंने पहले जीभ निकाली बाहर.
You know what's the actual challenge? You can have this noodles, but if somebody will tell you to wait for 5 minutes, that is an actual challenge.
So you're waiting?
No.
No, I think it's spicy.
इसका वो कहाँ है? I don't know. I know. मेरे यहाँ पे जल रहा है यार, लिप्स पे. अभी नहीं लग रहा ज़्यादा spicy. That's why I told you.
You know.
जा ही नहीं रहा. नीचे नीचे नहीं जा रहा. No, I think when she said कि वो बढ़ती जा रही है. I told you मतलब. I agree. They are spicy. Very spicy. No, I agree when you said कि oh my god, I can't speak. Holding after eating this noodles, holding for 5 minutes is a big challenge.
जो ला रही हो मेरे लिए आधा. जो लेके आ रही हो मेरे लिए भी ले आना.
जो भी ला रही हो दो लाना.
You know, I'm sweating because of this bite. But after having ice, I'm feeling better. Give me a little more. Yes, the ice helps. बाकी सब चीजें खा के it actually the bite elevates. Actually, I also felt that. When I had ice cream, I was feeling more spicy.
Okay, guys, so we are back. Things actually got a little out of hand, but now we are fine. So, yeah, what do you think? How was your experience?
My experience was very spicy. That's the one point. Secondly, of course, the noodles were very spicy. जब हम वो noodles खा रहे थे तो वो तब इतना spicy लग नहीं रहा था. But after finishing that noodles, it was actually an explosion in my mouth. And I think the actual challenge is to finishing that noodles and holding for 5 minutes. That is the actual challenge, I feel. Although you won, but
Yeah, I won.
I lost
Yeah.
by only 1 second.
Yeah, it was a very close call, but still, I won.
I think I said one thing to you while finishing that it's still in your mouth, so that took 1 second of mine.
Yeah. Moral of the story: don't ever give advice to other people. Okay. So yeah, my experience was okay. It's like I found it was spicy, but again I felt the spice here, like here more than in my mouth.
On your upper lip?
Yeah, my lips, not upper lips, but but I think okay. Like I used to have a lot of spicy food back then, but I do not have it now anymore. I do not have a sweet tooth.
I also don't have sweet tooth, but I don't like too much spicy food, especially the red chili. And that noodle was having a blood red chili.
Sauce.
I don't know what was that, but that was
Yeah,
horrible.
it was Korean sauce, yaar. Okay.
It was horrible. Spicy.
So yeah, would you like to try those noodles again?
नहीं.
Okay guys, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video and I hope you like my sister as well. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, hit the notification bell as well. And do you want to say anything else?
Yeah, and if you liked the video, please do leave your suggestion in the comment box for such more videos.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.